Hello students, in the last class we were discussing about gain ratio, right? What do you mean by gain ratio? Gain ratio ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಸೊ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಡೆತ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅವನ ಶೇರನ್ನು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಎಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ acquiring the shares of the retiring partner is called as gain ratio. So we studied different cases, right? Case 1 where only old profit sharing ratio is given, along with that gain ratio is itself is given, so there is no need of calculation alva. ನೀವು ಕೇಸ್ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ 2 ವೇರ್ only information about old profit sharing ratio given, other information is not given. At that time old profit sharing ratio itself should be considered as gain ratio. Then third case where old profit sharing ratio as well as new profit sharing ratio is given, again ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you need to use a formula which says share gained is equal to new share minus old share. So ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. So now let us study another problem, or let us solve another problem, that is A, B, C and D, okay, are partners in the firm. So sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1:2:1. So this is the ratio in which the old partners are sharing. Now A retires from the firm So after A's retirement, on A's retirement, continuing partner, so on A's retirement, continuing partners decided to share profits equally. So now they have asked us to calculate gain ratio. So this is the question where there are 4 partners A, B, C and D, and their profit sharing ratio is given, that is the old profit sharing ratio. So first write the given information. So this is the solution part. Write the given information. So A, B, C and D, their old profit sharing ratio. So this is what old profit sharing ratio, right? 2:1:2:1. So that means what? So in a fraction form, if we are writing means fraction form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 2 + 1 + 2 + 1 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 6. So in a fraction form their share is 2/6, 1/6, 2/6 and 1/6. So this is the old profit sharing ratio. Along with that they have given the information that A retires from the firm. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ ನಂತರ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಫರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ A is retiring. ಸೊ Aದು ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 2/6. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಫಾರ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವ್ರು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ their decision? The remaining partners, who are the remaining partner? B, C and D are the remaining partners. So what they said, they decided to share profits equally. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the another information given? Their new profit sharing ratio of B, C and D are given. What is that? Equally. So there are 3 partners ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇವರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 1:1:1. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1/3 1/3 1/3. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ the two information is given. One is their old profit sharing ratio and the one is new profit sharing ratio. Now what we need to do, we need to calculate gain ratio. So what is the formula to calculate gain ratio or share gained? Is equal to new share minus old share. So idu formula, right? So now share gained by, so whose share gain we need to calculate? B, C and D, right? So because A is retiring, the remaining continuing partner, their gain ratio we need to calculate, right? So share gain by B is equal to, what is his new share? So on the new share is to 1/3, write that 1/3 minus what is his old share? So B's old share is 1/6. So now take the LCM of 3 and 6. So how to take the LCM of 3 and 6? See here, 3 ones are 3 twos are here also. Now it is multiplied with 2, right? 2 ones are. So 3 into 2, what is the LCM? 6. So now multiply the denominator. So 3 twos are 6, right? So with this amount only you need to multiply the nominator. So 1 twos are 2. 6 ones are 6. Here also multiply with the same number. 2 minus 1. How much is the value? 1/6. Correct, no? Okay, now another one. Share gained by another partner name C, right? What is his new share? See the new share A, no. So here is the new share 1/3. What is his old share? See here. Old profit sharing ratio of C, this one 2/6. So you know for 3 and 6 LCM is 6. So 3 twos are 6 means we need to multiply with the same amount. 1 twos are 2. 6 ones are 6. Correct? R only R, right? So here also you need to multiply with the same amount. 2 ones are 2. So it is nil, 0. Correct? Okay, now another partner is remaining, right? Share gained by, what is another partner name? D. So what is his new share? Here it is given 1/3. So what is his old share? So here it is 1/6. So write that. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. 3 twos are, so 1 twos are 2. 6 ones are, so 1 ones are 1. So what is the amount? 1/6 is share gained by D. Okay, now write therefore gain ratio of B, C and D. So 1:6, 0 divided by 6, 1/6. So here we should not write the share gain by C because it is 0. So no need to write. Now write share gain by B and D is 1/6 is to 1/6 or 1:1. So this is the answer. So in this manner you need to solve. If you are getting any value as a 0, don't write, okay? So here C's share is 0. That's why no need to mention. Okay. Let us solve another problem. So they may ask these questions for 6 mark, okay? Study properly. Then another problem. Let us solve another problem. Ashok, Anil and Ajay are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 1/2, 3/10 and 1/5. See, here they have given the share in a fraction format, right? ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 1:3:1 ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ನೌ Anil retires from the firm. Now Ashok and Ajay, they are the continuing partners, right? Ashok and Ajay decides to share future profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. So now what we need to do is we need to calculate gain ratio. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ old profit sharing ratio of Ashok, Anil and Ajay. So write that 1/2, 3/10, 1/5. So now what we need to do is we need to calculate the LCM of this, okay? 2, 10 and 5. So 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, then keep 5 as it is. Now this particular amount will be multiplied by 5, right? 5 1s are. So multiply 5 into 2. So 10 is the LCM. So now 10 is the LCM, right? So now we got the ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ನಮಗೀಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ 2 5s are 10, right? So 1 5s are 5. Here also 10 1s are 3 1s are 3. 5 2s are 1 2s are 2. So what is the old profit sharing ratio? 5:3:2. Or 5/10 is to 3/10 is to 2/10, right? So this is the old profit sharing ratio of Ashok, Anil and Ajay. So this is the given information. Then what is the next information? Anil retires. So Anil's share is 3/10. So this particular person retires from the firm. Then new profit sharing ratio is given. What is that? 3:2. So 3/5 or 2/5. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. Now what we need to do? Simple, we need to use the formula. So to calculate gain ratio, share gained by Ashok. So new share minus old share. So I hope all of you understood, right? ಯಾವಾಗ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀವು LCM ತೆಗೆದು ಅದು ನೀವು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ತರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಅಶೋಕ್ ಇದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ 3/5, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಅಶೋಕ್ ಇದ್ದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇದು 5/10. ಸೊ 5 ಮತ್ತು 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ LCM. ಸೊ 10 is the LCM, right? 5 2s are, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 3 2s are 6, 10 1s are, so 5 1s are 5. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 1/10 ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಜಯ್. ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2/5. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 2/10. LCM ಎಷ್ಟು? 10. ಸೊ 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 10 ones are 10, 2 ones are 2. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 2/10. ಸೊ ಏನು ರೇಷಿಯೋ? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ at the end, while giving answer, use the symbol as this. Therefore the gain ratio of Ashok and Ajay is, so what is the gain ratio? 1/10 is to 2/10 or 1:2. So in this manner you need to give the answer. Okay, now you people need to solve homework problem. So here is the homework problem. So this homework problem you people need to solve. See here, Vani, Rani and Soni are partners in the firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. So here old profit sharing ratio is given between Vani, Rani and Soni. Now Soni retires from the firm, and now Vani and Rani, these are the continuing partners in the firm who decide to share the amount of profit equally. So now old profit sharing ratio is given, along with that a new profit sharing ratio is given. That's why it is easy to calculate gain ratio. Use the formula share gained by Vani is equal to new share minus old share. So you will get gain ratio. So use the formula. So you need to solve this homework problem and you need to send that to me. Then another homework problem, A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 1:1:1. Now B retires. So A and C are the continuing partner. They decide to share the future profit. So here ratio is given 4:3. So calculate the gain ratio. So new profit sharing ratio given, old profit sharing ratio given. So you can use the formula of gain ratio and can calculate gain ratio. So solve these two problems. Okay. Now let us study about new profit sharing ratio. So now gain ratio ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು new profit sharing ratio ಬಗ್ಗೆ let us discuss about new profit sharing ratio. Okay, what do you mean by new profit sharing ratio? So when we are using this new profit sharing ratio, so if in case of admission, right, when a new partner is admitting, so they need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. When one particular partner is retiring from the firm, we need a new profit sharing ratio. Why? Because when the new partner is admitted or the existing partner retires from the firm, the composition changes ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮೊದಲು 1:1:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಇವನು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ 1 ಶೇರ್ ಇವರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? That's why we are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Now, what do you mean by new profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio, it is a ratio in which continuing partner. So, retirement case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನು ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ after the retirement or death of any partner. So idenu, this is the ratio. So new profit sharing ratio is the ratio in which continuing partner, so continuing partner means what? If there are 3 partners A, B and C. So here C retires means A and B are what? They are the continuing partners. So after retirement of this particular person, they need to have a new profit sharing ratio to continue or to share future profits after his retirement. If the profit is there, so to distribute the profit among these two partners, they need a new profit sharing ratio, right? New profit sharing ratio means the ratio in which a continuing partner share the future profits. So after the death or retirement of the partner. So in a new share or a new profit share, what is included? ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿದು ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಶೇರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಶೇರ್. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೂಮ್? ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಇದು ಶೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ or total profits of the firm. So now there are 3 partners. So they are sharing in a ratio 3:2:1. Okay. So this partner is X, this is Y, this is Z. Now this particular partner retires. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ವೈ ಮತ್ತು ಝೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಹಿಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. So this share need to be given to these two partners. Either this share will be entirely taken by Y partner or maybe shared among Y and Z. So in a new profit sharing ratio, there is a his own share. Along with that, the share gained by this partner from retiring partner. So new profit sharing ratio alli enella include agutte? One, his own share. Second one, share which is gained from the retiring or deceased partner. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಯಾರಿಂದ? ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. So let us solve this problem on this new profit sharing ratio in a next class. If you are having any doubt, please ask me.